This used car dealership and repair shop, Chuck's Chariots, is facing legal action from the city of Charlotte. Court documents filed by the city allege the dealership was not operating in good faith in accordance with its special use permit from the city. The special use permit stipulates that the dealership must operate as a used car dealership, not exceed 10 units for sale at any given time, and operate for at least 30 hours per week. The city alleges the dealership has not been actively engaged in the selling of vehicles which are located on the lot, has not been operating for at least 30 hours per week, and over the past several years has been closed with the doors locked for days and weeks at a time.
I think that they noticed that cars were not being sold, but seemingly more vehicles were coming onto the property. It became more of just a junk storage yard for automobiles that were of apparently limited utility. No one was buying them. They weren't trying to actively sell them.
Thomas Hitch, an attorney representing the city of Charlotte, says the lot was a nuisance and a not appropriate use of the space.
It was an eyesore. Again, it's just 2 blocks from City Hall on one of the main thoroughfares in the city.
Charles and Jane Doty, the owners of Chuck's Chariots, filed an answer to these allegations denying any wrongdoing. The document was later stricken from the court record because neither Charles nor Jane Doty are attorneys and therefore are not authorized under Michigan law to represent their business. They have since obtained legal counsel.
If you as an individual go into court and say, Your Honor, I want to represent myself, that's perfectly permitted. But you can't come in and say, hey, this is my corporation or this is my limited liability company. I'm going to represent them.
Their answer to the allegations claimed they were open 30 hours a week prior to COVID and now allow customers to make appointments. They claimed to have sold 5 vehicles in 2018, 3 in 2019, 4 in 2020, and 6 in 2021, and said one cannot force people to purchase cars. Their answer states that due to Mr. Doty's rapidly deteriorating health, prior to this summons, we had started making arrangements to scrap the vehicles that appeared no longer worth repairing. It is our goal to clear the inventory and possibly close the business. But Hitch says the city does not wish to force the business to close. Fox 47 News reached out to Charles and Jane Doty and their attorney, but they declined to comment. Reporting in your neighborhood of Charlotte, I'm Margaret Cahill, Fox 47 News.